Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Nick's Cooking Tricks. Today we're going to make something so fun and exciting. They are buffalo chicken fritters. We're going to show you how to make these things, and I highly recommend you try this at home because they are delicious. I'm hungry. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, we're going to start off by cutting up some chicken breasts. It's really important that you cut the chicken breasts up kind of small in little cube-sized bits. Probably 1/4 inch would be good. Let's show you how it's done. Alright guys, now that the chicken is all chopped up, we're going to have to add in some ingredients. The first thing we're going to add is we're going to throw in flour. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of cheddar cheese. It's time to throw in about 2 cups of mayonnaise. Now it's time to add in 2 eggs. Now that everything is in the bowl, we're just going to take a little bit of salt and pepper, season this up really nice, put it in the refrigerator to chill for about an hour. Now that everything is mixed up and in the bowl, let's put this in the refrigerator for about an hour. It's been about an hour since we put our chicken in the refrigerator. We're going to start on our buffalo sauce. We're going to need half a stick of butter and some Frank's Red Hot. Let's do this. The buffalo sauce is simmering on the stove. And now what we're going to do is we took our chicken out of the refrigerator. We're going to use a big spoon, or you can use an ice cream scoop, whatever you choose. We just want to make sure that we get a nice big heaping spoon of our chicken fritter mix into a frying pan. Make sure you use corn oil or vegetable oil. Don't use olive oil. Alright, once these come out of the fryer and are nice and hot, just take some more cheddar cheese and just throw a little bit on top. Now we're just going to put a little buffalo sauce on top. That's how you make buffalo chicken fritters. Man, do they smell good, and they are delicious. But don't take my word for it.
Here's the taste tester.
Delicious. Delicious!
That's a good fucking fritter.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Hey guys, welcome back to another. I'm going to add in about a cup of
Cheese! It's called cheese!
cheddar cheese. I want to say what kind of cheese.
It's not orange, we can tell!
There's other orange cheeses, American cheese, Colby cheese. Okay, ready? We're going to add in about 1 cup of
Cheese!
Hold on, wait. Not yet, not yet. We have to get
Amber's
nice.
like, no, I'm like actually hungry.
Oh god. Let's get it. We're out.
A concussion.